Hey kids, welcome back to the Knowledge Kettle. Today, we're diving into a world of words with our friend Alice and Ben. They are here to teach us some super cool words that have an E in them. Get ready to learn and have fun.
Hey Ben, let's learn some words with a E in them.
E, like banana?
Not quite, Ben. A makes a different sound. Let's try cake.
I love cake. Can we eat some now?
Not yet, Ben. We're learning words. Let's try lake.
Like the big water?
Exactly. Next word, date.
Like a date on a calendar?
Let's try made. I made a painting yesterday. Next word is same.
Your shirt is the same color as mine. Hey, can I have your shirt?
No, Ben. Let's try name.
My name is Ben.
Okay, let's try take. Take a book, for example.
I am getting a hang of it now. Here are a few other words. Face, place, race, chase, grace.
Well done, Ben. Let's finish our word lesson with brace. It means to get ready for something.
Brace yourselves, folks. It's silly time.
Well, that was a word whirlwind. We learned a bunch of amazing words. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep reading, writing, and speaking these words, and you'll be a word wizard in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Kettle for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.